Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DCA September 2021. In this video, we are going to discuss important questions that may be helpful in numerical ability section. And this is going to be part first. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, then please comment. Then I will make further videos with more number of questions. So let us start with our first question. In an election, there were only two candidates. One of the candidates secured 40% of the votes and is defeated by the other candidate by 298 votes. The total number of votes polled is so votes gained by the losing candidate is 40%, and the percentage of vote that winner has got is 60%, that is remaining percentage. And now the losing candidate has been defeated by 298 votes. So the difference of these 20% is equal to 298 votes. And we have to find the total number of votes, that is 100% of the votes. So 100% vote can be found. 100% is equal to 298 divided by 20% multiplied by 100%. What we are doing here, simply we are dividing here by 20% and multiplying by 100. Here 100 will be cancelled by 20 and here will be 5. And now we have to multiply 298 by 5. So the product of these two will be 1490. So correct option will be C, 1490. Now second question. In an examination, A got 25% more marks than B, B got 10% less than C, and C got 25% more than D. D got 320 marks out of 500. The marks obtained by A were. So these are your options, and we know that marks obtained by D is equal to 320. So 320. And we know that C has got 25% more marks than D. So 25% simply means 1 by 4. But C has got 25% more. So it means 1 by 4 plus 1, which means 5 by 4. So we have to multiply here by 5 by 4. So marks obtained by C will be equal to, now cancel these two, and it will be 80. 80 into 5 will be 400. So these are the marks obtained by C. Now B has got 10% less marks than C. So 10% less. So marks of B will be, so 10% of 400 will be 40 minus 40, it will be 360. Now marks obtained by A is 25% more than B. So marks obtained by A will be, and I have recently told you that 25% more marks simply represent 5 into 4. So we have to do 5 into 4. So 4 will be cancelled by 360 and it will be 90, and 90 into 5 is equal to 450. So marks obtained by A will be 450. That is, your option B is correct. Now question third. A sum of 4000 is lent out in two parts. One at 8% simple interest and other at 10% simple interest. If annual interest is rupees 352, sum lent at 8% is. So your options are here, and total principal amount is 4000. So P1 plus P2 is equal to 4000. But now what are P1 and P2? So P1 is the principal amount that has been lent at 8%, and P2 is the principal amount that has been lent at 10%. Now SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. And here annual interest is 352. So P1 into R into T upon 100 plus P2 into R into T upon 100 is equal to 352 has been given to us in question. Now P1, let us put P1 here, and R is 8% from here, and T is 1 as it has been given annual interest. So year is 1 divided by 100 plus P2 into 10. Here rate of interest is 10 divided by 100 is equal to 352. Now 8 P1 plus 10 P2 is equal to 35200. It is 2 here. And now 8 plus P1 plus 8 plus P2 plus 2 P2. We have broken 10 P2 here and it will be equal to 350,200. Now 8 P1 plus P2 and P1 plus P2 is equal to 4,000 here. So 8 into 4,000. I have taken 8 common from here and 2 P2 will remain as it is. It is equal to 350,200. And now 2 P2 will be equal to 350,200 minus 3,200. Because I am subtracting 32,000 from this. So it will be equal to 0023. So it will be equal to 3,200. So P2 will be equal to 1,600. And now P1 plus P2 was 4,000 and P2 is equal to 1,600. P1 will be equal to 2,400. So your correct option is C, 2,400. Now question 4. If a sum of money placed at compound interest compounded annually double itself in 5 years, then the same amount of money will be 8 times in, and your options are here. Now money is compounded annually, so it will become 2 times in 5 years, and again 2 times in 5 years, and again 2 times in 5 years, and so it will become 8 times in 15 years, because 5 plus 5 plus 5, it will be 15 years. So correct answer is C, 15 years. So these were few questions. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India. And if you want more questions, I can make longer videos with more number of questions with easy tricks. And for that you have to share this video. And guys, thanks for watching this video once again.